Annyeong, this is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today we will talk about 3 expressions containing the Korean word 물, meaning water. These are cutting water with a knife, water feast, and a fish that has met water. You might find it interesting to see the various metaphorical uses of the word water in today's expressions. Let's break them down together. Our first expression is 칼로 물 베기. It consists of 칼로 meaning with a knife, 물 meaning water, and 베기 meaning cutting. Therefore, it can be literally translated as cutting water with a knife. We know that it is impossible to cut and separate a liquid such as water. Originating from this idea, it refers to an unbreakable relationship. So when you see a couple going through a rough patch, but you are certain that they will mend their relationship, you might use this idiom. Furthermore, there is one more thing you should know. Depending on the context, it can convey the idea that a married couple or family must not separate, even though their relationship is toxic or domestic violence is occurring. So, if you encounter this expression, it might be a good idea to examine the context. Our next expression is the newly coined word 물주먹. It is the combination of words 물 meaning water and 주먹 meaning a fist. Therefore, it is literally translated as water fist. But its real meaning is that a punch is too weak to hurt you. Here, water is a metaphor for weakness and triviality. In addition, there is another phrase used in the same metaphor, 물수능. 수능 means college's scholastic ability test. So, 물수능 means that the test was too easy. If you want to communicate the opposite meaning, just put the Korean word 불, meaning fire, instead of 물. Our last expression is the idiom 물 만난 물고기. It consists of 물, meaning water, 만난, which is a modifying adjective, meaning that which has met, and 물고기, meaning a fish. So this is literally translated as a fish that has met water. In this context, a fish is a person and water is the place where a person feels their most authentic self. It is similar to the English phrase to be in your element. So we use it when someone is opening up. Interestingly, this idiom is also featured in the lyrics of More by J-Hope of BTS and used as a song title by the Korean sibling duo AKMU. This marks the end of today's video. If you have similar expressions in your language as today's Korean phrases, please leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. 안녕! In my next video, I will come back with a new word and story. Leave suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video.